Hi everyone, it's Miss Brittany. Today I'm coming to you with another activity that you can easily do at home. We're making letters out of shaving cream. Now we've been talking about clouds a lot lately, so what looks more like clouds than some frothy shaving cream? Okay, so this is the easiest thing. All you need is some shaving cream and a pen, whatever you don't mind messing up. It's easy to wash out. So what we're going to do is simply just trace a letter in there with our fingers. It's such a fun little sensory activity. Get a little towel beside you so you don't want to get too messy. And then you can do something like this. So I want a little guessing game. What letter is this, everybody? Is this an A? Good job. Let's see. And all you have to do if you want to do another letter, you just smooth it out again. Ta-da! Looks like a clean slate. So I'm going to do another letter and see if you can guess it. All right. What letter is that? Is it a C? Good job. Let's do one more. I'm just going to clean my area out one more time. All right. And it's the easiest thing to wash out. You can do it for hours. What letter is this? Did you say D? Good job. All right, guys. It's the easiest little project to do. I want you guys to send me pictures of all the letters you made. You can make shapes. You can do your name. You can do numbers if you want to. Okay? So send me some videos and pictures at home of what you've done. I would love to see them. Thank you, guys. Bye.